Now we've all seen back windows or even side windows that look like this. But how do you remove it? Back window. Damn! What's up? Welcome back. Today we've got a 2014 Dodge Charger stripping the back glass, and we're gonna retint it for you. So thankfully stripping tint isn't always bad. But in situations like this where it's real bubbly, you definitely want to have a steamer. So as you can see, I already started stripping it off. I wasn't planning on making a video, but here we are. Now when doing this, you do not want to use a razor blade on back windows with defrost lines. But now if your back window does not have defrost lines, then skip this whole steamer process, get some soapy water in a bottle of your choice and scrape away. Or you want to basically give it a chemical bath using a garbage bag and say Simple Green. Spray your Simple Green on the inside of the back window, take that garbage bag and place it out in the sun after you've put the garbage bag on the back window on the inside. Spray that down. Almost squeegee it off with your hand like you would a piece of tint. Also, when doing this, you never know how long it's going to take. This is about 45 minutes in so far. Now, the one question I do have is what causes these bubbles? Is it because of the sun? Is it because this car has been in a body shop and needed to be repainted and they put it in to bake the paint at 400 and some odd degrees and instantly bubbled up the tint? Nobody ever really knows the true answer. If you know the answer, or if you think you know the answer in the comments down below, please let me know. All right, now that we've got the tint off the glass, today I'm going to be using Awesome to get the glue off. It's all we've got in stock on hand, but hey, it'll work. Definitely will work. I prefer Simple Green. Stuff smells great. All right, done with the steamer. Let's get that out of here. What you're gonna want to do, you're definitely gonna want to let the back window cool down before you attempt to really spray it down with anything. All right, now one thing. I get these blue sponges right here from Menards. Don't be fooled into buying this stuff from the tool companies. For stripping glue. These right here are cheap and easily thrown away. Don't have to worry about it. Now this bad boy right here comes with Velcro on it. You get that down at 44tools.com. Not a paid product promotion. All right, so now that we have a nice little coating of Awesome spray on the back glass, you can almost instantly see it just taking the glue right away. And we're not going to let this sit too long. We're going to start scrubbing with our scrub pads. All right, now that 90% of the glue is gone, it's time to get the film laid out and get it shrunk. Now on every back window that you need to shrink, you're going to want to set it up as an H pattern. Check this out. Now when pulling the film, you'll see some of your big gigantic fingers start to get smaller. Every window is going to be different, or windshield, when doing this. But the concept of sealing the edges like I'm doing here is definitely the same. Like I said previously, you want to make the H pattern before you start shrinking.
There's a new pin code dealer now in Tennessee.
Mm-hmm.
That I got that drove up.
If you guys are at all curious about what he's talking about with a pin code system, in the comments down below, let me know. Maybe I can make a video explaining what they are. Now at this point, you're just about ready to start shrinking, but before you do, you want to relief cut each one of these edges. And then don't forget the middle, top and bottom. Alright, so I'll be lifting my film up, getting it nice and taut. As you can see, it's got a little tension to it. I'm just going to take my heat gun going back and forth, back and forth. You'll just see that film just lay right to the glass. Almost as it's hugging it. Okay? You okay? You'll be okay.
Stop it. Get some help.
Same concept as the dry shrinking. It's just, this is how I learned how to do it. I'll link that video down below in the description. If you haven't seen that one, definitely go check that out after this one. And the bottom is going to be just a little bit different. Now what I mean by that is, with the trunk lid being in the way, you're not able to pull that clear layer or the top of your film as you did the top. Now the motions are all still the same. You're pulling on the film and lightly, gently letting go as it's shrinking. Remember, keep in mind, you don't want to get the heat gun too close to the back window film or you'll burn that piece of tint and it'll be trash. Yes, I use an iPhone and a gimbal. I even edit all my videos on my iPhone. And now we're going to repeat that for this side. Like I said, pulling this taunt, not too tight. You don't want to pull it off the car. But you want to keep it taut enough to where it just lays right to the glass.
You freaky dog. I don't need to analyze. Every word that comes out is a lie. Make it look like it's so ice, ice, ice. You won't make it to the finish line. Now if you gotta know the truth, was gonna let you go. You was fine, never mind, unpredictable. Fade out
Once you've got each area shrunk, go ahead and trim off that clear layer if you're using a plotter. Otherwise, it'll be the top edge of the film. Which leads me to my next question in the comments down below. If you are a window tinter or learning how to tint, are you guys hand cutting or did you go and buy a plotter?
My hotline, sharing secrets you wish really was part your life. Basic bullets, with no bullets. Does your wifey know you're begging for my notice? Promise you're the same, running for the meds. Sure you like my vibe, pass my candy on my wrist. Bad habits, little rabbit. Now sit down, you can have it. I see it when you walk my way. Nice big head, come and play with me. Freak it dog, freak it dog. Got a whole lot of love for my dog. I see it when you walk my way. Nice big head, come and play with me. Freak it dog, freak it dog.
We've got the back window clean. We've got the tint shrunk and on the board.
Yep, you can put it on the board, yes!
Let's clean this back window one more time, and let's get that tint inside and get it squeegeed out.
With this trash, taught to be critical. Show me your mental state before we get physical. Pour some water in your cup, let it drip, drip, drip. Now look straight into my eyes, then you sip, sip, sip. It's about time, let you shine. Take off that leash so that we can have some fun. I see it when you walk my way. Nice big bed, come and play.
Break this down.
You smoke it, you walk like this.
I hope this was informative. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment. Drop your comments. If you're watching this video and you've made it this far, give me a comment. Tell me what you thought of the video. Ask me some questions. See you guys in the next one.